Hey there, this is Rasmin and today I'm going to make a crane with this cone. So let's start by making 3 paper tubes. Then we will take 3 wires, 2 of 15 cm for the legs and 1 of 13 cm for the neck. Then we'll place it inside the tubes. Once we are done placing the wire on the tubes, we will bend the smaller wire, giving it the shape of a neck. We can make the head of the crane by wrapping pieces of tissue paper with glue, or we can do it by making a paste of tissue paper, water and glue. This is way more convenient. So we will make it a paste and make the head. Now for making the peak of the crane, we'll take a piece of paper and make a cone. Then we'll cut out the pointed portion and fix it on its place with glue. Then we'll color the different parts. The parts are all colored. Now for the fine placement of the neck, we will make a hole on the center of the pine cone. Then fix all the different parts with the glue gun. For the base, I have taken a rectangular piece of cardboard and a small circle just above it. I will paste it. Make 2 holes on the base as part the distance between the legs of the crane, and then fix it with the help of a glue gun. this is how it looks. If you like the video, do give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below. Thank you.